Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given if A, B, C are the continued proportion, we need to prove that A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C equals to A square plus B square plus C square. So if A, B, C are continued a proportion, so we can write it as A by B is equals to B by C. So which is nothing but if we cross multiply, we'll get AC is equals to B square. And now take a left hand side, which is A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C, and distribute, which means expand left hand side. So if we expand, we'll get A into A square plus minus AB plus AC plus AB minus B square plus BC plus AC minus BC plus C square. So here AB minus AB cancels out and BC minus BC cancels out. So we'll come up with A square plus AC minus B square plus AC plus C square. So here we have AC plus AC, so it becomes 2AC. So A square plus 2AC minus B square plus C square. Now apply proportion here. So we got proportion equation is AC equals to BC squares. So just substitute AC is equals to BC square. So we'll get A square plus 2B square minus B square plus C square. So here we have 2B square minus B square. So if we subtract, we'll get A square plus B square plus C square. So which is nothing but the right hand side. So hence the given expression is proved. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.